Can a machine learn to react to its environment like a human? Can it make decisions based on the sensory data it receives, almost like an instinct? Welcome to the intriguing world of artificial intelligence and reflex agents. To understand this, imagine you touch a hot surface. Your immediate reaction, almost instinctive, is to withdraw your hand. This reaction happens without much conscious thought or decision-making. This is a reflex action. Now, can we program a machine to perform similar reflex actions? That's where simple reflex agents come into play. A simple reflex agent is an artificial intelligence construct that selects actions based on the current percept, without considering the history of past percepts. It operates by finding a rule whose condition matches the current situation, and performs the action stated by the rule. Let's dissect this a bit more. The key components of a simple reflex agent include the agent itself, rules or condition action pairs, and a percept sequence. The agent is the entity that perceives its environment through sensors and acts upon that environment through actuators. In simple terms, it's the machine or the program that we're talking about. Rules or condition action pairs are the set of guidelines that determine how the agent should react to a particular percept. These rules are pre-programmed into the agent, and it chooses an action based on these rules. The percept sequence is the history of all that the agent has perceived till now. However, a simple reflex agent only considers the most recent percept and does not take into account the history of past percepts. In a nutshell, a simple reflex agent works like this. It gets input from its sensors, then it matches this input with its pre-programmed rules, and based on this match, it triggers the corresponding action through its actuators. However, it's worth noting that while simple reflex agents can be effective in certain situations, they have their limitations. For example, they can only react to the current percept and cannot take into account the broader context or history of past percepts. This makes them less suitable for complex tasks that require an understanding of the broader context or past experiences. In conclusion, simple reflex agents represent a fundamental concept in artificial intelligence. They operate based on pre-programmed rules and react to the current percept without considering past percepts. While they have their limitations, they provide a basic understanding of how machines can be programmed to react to their environment, much like our own reflex actions. Remember, the journey of artificial intelligence is filled with fascinating concepts like these, where we attempt to replicate and understand our own human intelligence in machines. The exploration of simple reflex agents is just a small step in this journey, but an important one nonetheless. As we continue to delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, who knows what fascinating concepts we'll uncover next? Until then, keep pondering, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep learning.